Okay, so use a different coloured pen and add any corrections to your test using this video. Feel free to pause at any second to read the mark scheme or follow the corrections on the right hand side. First question asks to pick out two correct statements from the information in the table. The first statement says that methane has the lowest melting point and icosane the highest. This one's correct. The next statement says that ethene and methane are both alkanes. This one's incorrect. If we look at ethene, ends in ene, and methane, ane, means they're two different homologous series. Ethene is an alkene with a C double bond C. Methane is an alkane with a C single bond C. The next statement says that methane and decane are gases at room temperature, so 20 degrees C. If we look at the table, methane has a boiling point of minus 164, so this is a gas at 20 degrees C, whereas decane has a boiling point of 174, so this would not be a gas at 20 degrees C, so this statement is incorrect. So the last statement has to be correct, but we'll have a look to check. Decane and icosane are liquids at 100 degrees C. We're looking at decane at 100 degrees C. It would be a liquid as it boils at 174. Whereas icosane at 100 degrees C, this would also be a liquid as it boils at 343 and melts at 37. The next question asks us to complete the combustion equation. So octane and oxygen always makes two products from combustion, water and carbon dioxide. Okay, question C looks at the production of ethanol. This production of ethanol is using yeast. So it is a fermentation reaction. Then asks, some people say that increasing the production of ethanol from sugarcane will be good for the environment. Make sure your answers relate to the environment. Possible suggestions could be plants absorb carbon dioxide, or they are a renewable source. Looking at the mark scheme on the left, you could also have growing sugarcane reduces global warming due to the absorption of CO2. Remember, we say the production of ethanol through fermentation is carbon neutral, so all the carbon dioxide released has been taken in through their growth. Next question asks to identify two possible bad reasons for producing ethanol in the environment. Make sure your answers relate to the environment. You do not know how much this process costs. Any reference to costs would not gain you any marks. Some possible suggestions in the mark scheme are destruction of habitats, the fermentation process releases carbon dioxide, pollution from the transport of the sugarcane to the processing plant, or the amount of land it takes to grow enough sugarcane to produce ethanol.